Kubor nag-Ïalam jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Katanat Kokot Kakhia ka Jilla James PK Sangma. Henen kasngi habayakran baki nong thok kubor. Halor ka jing sakut jang ki Samla Pule Mbbs hakari Ukraine. Ulayathu banakalyang ka Sorkar Jilla kalapha ya ka kerwo sya ka Sorkar Ukraine. Banyak ren bat banwat kilat kilenti banyo banwanya lamno ya kini ki Samla Pule syalakari. Shushu ula ongru banakalyang ka Sorkar Jilla kala Shimkhia ya kane knang baken la banwan phai da ka basung.
Honorable Chief Minister has already spoken to Ministry of External Affairs, and we are in touch with MEA. There are many citizens, Indian citizens, being evacuated from Kiev and from other places in Ukraine, and we are in constant touch. We hope, that our students will be safe, our citizens will be safe till the time that we can bring them back home safely. I don't have the exact number, but there are a few students from Meghalaya who are doing their MBBS there. No, it's not like that. It is two countries will have to coordinate with each other. That is, Ukraine and Government of India will have to coordinate, and this is something that will be coordinated by the Ministry of External Affairs. So our role is very limited to that of making sure that we are in constant touch with MEA to make sure that the exercise of bringing them back is being carried out, and we provide the kind of necessary information that is required from our end.